Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to organize your projects using tags on teamwork.com, an essential skill for boosting productivity and streamlining workflows. First off, log into your teamwork.com account and head to the project you want to organize. The reason we do this is to be in the correct environment to start applying tags. Next up, look for the Tags option, usually located at the top of your project dashboard. This helps us because tags are the key to categorizing our tasks and making our projects more manageable. Now we're ready to create our tags. Click on New Tag and start naming your tags based on your project's needs. It could be task statuses, team names, task types, or anything relevant to your project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These tags will act as labels that help you sort, filter, and search for specific tasks quickly. Once you've created your tags, it's time to assign them to your tasks. Open a task and click on Add Tag, then select the appropriate tag from the dropdown. Let me explain why this matters. By attaching the right tags to your tasks, you're essentially building a structured, searchable database of your project activities, making it easier for everyone on your team to stay on the same page. Lastly, always make it a habit to review and update your tags regularly. This ensures your project stays organized and up to date as it evolves. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've organized your project using tags on teamwork.com. Remember, the key is to keep your tags relevant and consistent. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.